Subscribe! What a lovely evening! Perfect climate to play. The boy is likely to play an outdoor game. He's got something in his hand. Let's see what it is. Wow! It's a balloon helicopter toy. It's very new to me. The boy is blowing up the balloon with an air pump. 1, 2, 3. All 3 blades are attached. The balloon is fixed around its center. He released the balloon. Oh, it's flying very high. It's green. Green. And the one starts to spin and fly. It's red in color. Spin, spin, spin and fly high. It's blue color. Go high. Y-E-L-L-O-W. It's yellow color. Oh, my favorite color pink. The lovely pink. He has got many more. Pumping the next balloon. Wow, it's brown, just like my teddy. Spin. Here comes the grey color. The peaceful white. My cute bunny is white and fluffy. The purple color is the combination of red and blue. I love this color very much. Black, the color of the crow. Here comes the last one. Indigo. It's a rich color which is very close to blue. All color balloon helicopters are pretty cool. Now he is returning home. We can also leave. Bye-bye.